Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this right triangle ABC, as you can see in this diagram, such that the area of this right triangle is 1058 square units, and its hypotenuse AC length is 92 units. And moreover, this angle BAC is represented by X. And now our task is to calculate the value of this angle X. And please keep in mind that X is in between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And since we are interested in calculating this angle X, so therefore here is our action plan. And now let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area equals to half times A times B times sine of angle C. As you can see in this diagram, these are our side lengths A and B, and C is the angle between these two sides. So therefore our angle X is going to be between these two sides AC and AB. So therefore we must calculate this side length AB before we could calculate the angle X. And now let's recall SOHCAHTOA, and we are interested in cosine of theta equals to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. And here in our case, for this triangle ABC, this AC is our hypotenuse, whereas this side AB is our adjacent, and our angle is X. So therefore our angle cosine of X is going to become, our adjacent side is AB divided by our hypotenuse side length is 92. Let's multiply both sides by 92 to isolate this AB length. So therefore our AB length turns out to be 92 times cosine of angle X. So therefore our this AB side length turns out to be 92 times cosine of X. And now let's recall the area of a triangle formula once again. Area equals to a half times AB times sine of angle C, as you can see in this given triangle. And here our sides are A and B, and C is the angle in between them. And in our case, the area of this triangle has been given to us as 1058 square units. The side lengths are 92, and 92 times cosine of X, and the angle between these two sides is X. So let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this formula. So area of this triangle is 1058 equals to a half times our one side length is 92 times the other side length is 92 times cosine of X times sine of our angle X. Now let me go ahead and tweak this equation. We can see that 1 divided by 2 times 92 is simply going to give us 46. And likewise, I'm going to tweak this 92. 92 could be written as 2 times 46. So therefore, this equation could be written as 1058 equal to 46 times 46 times 2 times sine of angle X times cosine of angle X as well. Now let me go ahead and divide both sides by 46 times 46 on both sides, as you can see over here. And here we can see they cancel each other out. So therefore we are ended up with the 2 sine of X times cosine of X is going to be equal to, if we simplify the left hand side, that is simply is going to give us 1 divided by 2. Let me go ahead and call this our equation number 1. And here's our next step. Let's recall the angle sum identity. Sine of alpha plus angle beta equal to sine of alpha times cosine of beta plus sine of beta times cosine of alpha. Here now let's assume that alpha and beta are equal angles. If I call angle alpha as x and beta is going to be x as well, then all of these angles are going to be x as well across the board. As you can see in this next step, we got sine of angle x plus x equal to sine of x times cosine of x plus sine of x times cosine of x. So therefore on the left hand side we got sine of x plus x is going to give us 2x equal to, we can see both of these terms are identical, so let's go ahead and combine them. So this could be written as 2 times sine of x times cosine of x. Let me go ahead and call this our equation number 2. And now let's focus on this equation number 1 once again. And here I have copied down this equation 1 over here. 2 times sine of x times cosine of x equals to 1 divided by 2. But from equation 2 we know that 2 times sine of x times cosine of x is simply sine of 2 of x. So therefore I am going to substitute the left hand side. So this is going to become sine of 2x equals to 1 divided by 2. So therefore this could be written as that our angle 2x is going to be equal to sine inverse of 1 divided by 2, where we can see that sine inverse of 1 divided by 2 can take two values. One value is 30 degrees and the other possible value is 150 degrees as well. So therefore I can write 2x equal to 30 degrees, or I can say 2x equals to 150 degrees as well. Now let's focus on this first equation. If 2x equal to 30 degrees, then our angle x is going to be equal to 15 degrees. And if our 2x equals to 150 degrees, then our angle x in this scenario is going to be 75 degrees. And now let's make an observation. We can see our x values are 15 degrees and 75 degrees, and they are within the range between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. So thus our possible angle x values turn out to be 15 degrees or 75 degrees. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.